Volkswagen's modular infotainment matrix systems can sometimes glitch. This section clarifies the two primary reset methods. A reboot is a soft reset that restarts the system without deleting data. It's useful for frozen screens or minor issues. For MIB3 systems, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. For ME2 systems, hold volume and home buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. A factory reset wipes all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. This is a more drastic measure for persistent problems. Access factory reset options through the infotainment menu, or for older models, potentially via diagnostic tools like VCDS or at a dealership. For a frozen screen, start with a simple reboot by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This resolves 80 to 90% of cases without data loss. Before a factory reset, back up important data like contacts and playlists to prevent loss. For MB3 systems with software glitches, check for over-the-air updates via VW's CarNet platform. These provide bug fixes and improvements. If problems persist, consult a VW dealer for professional diagnostics, especially for older systems with hardware issues. Resets are often workarounds for underlying faults. Recurring issues may need expert attention. For advanced resets, use tools like Otis, VCDS, or OBD2 scanner.